good morning to all. So today we are going to study the unit 2 using the design thinking activity. Okay, our student is going to study the formula based on the design thinking activity. So I am going to introduce Sharvi.
Good morning, I am Bisection Method from Department of BSCS, DevOps and Flows. So we have the activity regarding our unit 2 quadratic equation. We are going to do an activity based on it, based on design thinking. So there is 3 types of formula in unit 2: bisection method, regular Raphson method, and Newton Raphson method.
Okay, so I am going to start so just I am going to explain why we are going to study this formula. Okay, so if you want to solve some of the transcendental equation or some algebraic form of an equation, it is tedious to solve this type of equation. Okay, normally we used to solve the roots based on some b minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. So on, these types of formula we used to apply. But sometimes e power x log x. So this type of problem is tedious to solve directly. So we are going to introduce a numerical method. Some of the numerical methods are bisection method, regular, falsi, and Newton Raphson. So these formulas having a sum of an iteration oriented, but we have to correct based on the 5 decimal places. But all the methods is different, but the concept is same. Okay, we are going to find the approximate root using these type of equation. And also we have another unit, that is unit 1, that is based on the matrix. That formula also we are going to study. And first of all, we have to, before going to the method, we have to recall all this concept. Okay, so methods are different, but the concept is we have to recall the formula. Applying this formula, we can apply the approximate method. So for bisection method, yearly you will get an 10 to 11 iteration. So you will get an approximate root. Whereas in regular falsi, you will get a 4. With the 4 iteration, you will get an approximate root. But Newton Raphson is very rapid. You will get an approximate root rapidly compared to these two methods. So let us recall the formula based on it. Shall we? Give the lot for that. So just he is going to give a lot, and the students are going to recall. So before that, I am going to introduce my name. I am Agalya, Department of BSCS, DevOps and Flows. Next. Say louder. Yeah.
Hi, this is Bisection, BSCS, DevOps and Flows.
Okay, so let us discuss the formula. Okay, one by one. Just anyone can take your out and you can give the question. So ask the question. Say loudly. A is equal to 1 by mod sum A and I. So just we ask the question, that is inverse of the matrix. So for the inverse of the matrix, we are going to find that 1 by modulus of A in the adjoint of A. So the determinant of A equal to 0 means what we will do? Another thing.
The rank will be.
Yes. Otherwise, the value becomes 0 means the inverse does not exist. Okay. So that is also one of the concepts behind the inverse of the matrix. So how will you find determinant? Can you explain how will you find determinant of A? Whether you will expand it row wise or column? Row. Okay. Okay, another one can once again the lot. Shall we? Any comments? No, just can take this. Just give it. So ask the question loudly. Again, same question. Now, 1 by modulus of A adjoint of A. Again, the lot, and you can answer. Again, 1, 2. Ask the question loudly, huh? So its question is Newton Raphson method. X minus f of x by f dash of x. So what is f dash of x? Can you say what you do? F dash of f of x is given x square plus 2x. going to differentiate. Very good. What is x square differentiation? If you differentiate x square, no, what's the answer? 2x. 5x differentiate panna? 5x differentiate panna 5. Okay, wow. So this is the formula. If you apply Newton Raphson